Hi guys, and welcome to the No Gluten Zone. I create content for people with food issues, whether that's food allergies, intolerances, sensitivities, or just autoimmune issues like myself. If you've been gluten-free for a minute, you've undoubtedly heard of Canyon Bakehouse. They are my favorite brand for bread products. I especially like that they don't use cornstarch. So many brands use cornstarch and lots of cornstarch. I definitely have some issues with cornstarch, so it's something I keep to a minimum in my diet for personal choice. And I try to look for breads and bread products that have more grain than starch. Some are just pure starch. So those are things I look at, and I look for quality ingredients. And this is my favorite brand. So I'm going to do an unboxing. If you're not aware, you can order directly from Canyon Bakehouse's website. So if they don't carry it in stores near you, or you want certain products that are not available in stores near you, you can go to their website and get anything you want from them. So I'm going to open this. This is actually a surprise. My husband placed this order. I do not know what's in this box. So storage instructions and an invoice slip, bubble wrap. We have Hawaiian rolls, Hawaiian bread, and the whole rest is 6 loaves of our favorite general bread, which is the Mountain White. So not a huge assortment, but still exciting, and it will feed us for quite a while. If you have not tried Canyon Bakehouse, I highly recommend them. I encourage you to check them out and give them a try. If this video was helpful to you, please like it, consider subscribing, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Have a great day, guys. God bless you.